Hello, everyone, and welcome to this YouTube channel. My name is Gil Trading Lab. If you're new to this YouTube channel, please like this video, share, and subscribe. So, on today's video, I'm going to be doing weekly analysis on EURUSD, and I'm going to start from the daily time frame. So, on the daily time frame, my swing structure is bearish. This is the current swing range, where that is the strong swing high, and this is the weak swing low. Currently, price is in the and also not forgetting that we also have this internal range. This is a strong internal high and the strong swing low, the weak swing low, sorry, and is also the weak internal low. So currently, price is in the swing and both swing and internal pullback. Price has pulled back to the strong internal high, so there's possibility of this strong internal high to hold, and then we could see now price target this weak swing low, or we could see internal shift bullish, so we can get that deep swing pullback. We also have some unmitigated supplies above here that price might want to mitigate before it targets the weak swing low. So my expectation for this coming week is whether there's some supplies here. I haven't drawn them because of the liquidity above them. I know I'm aware of them, but so I'm just waiting for whatever will form during the pullback. So I want to see, to confirm that this supply will hold, I want to see a strong liquidation from here, something like that. A sweep of a strong high, a high that has broken a low. If we see that liquidation and we get on an order flow shift plus PBL failure, then I'll confirm that truly that this supply is ready to hold, and we could see now price target there, weak swing low. So for this coming week, we might either see this supply hold for price to target the weak swing low, or we might see price continue rallying. We can see how this candle, the Friday's candle, closed with a lot of bullish momentum. Maybe we could see this week also price forming also another large candles for price to target this liquidity above here before it targets the weak swing low. So that's all for the daily time frame. Let's drop down to the 4-hour time frame. So on the 4-hour time frame, the swing structure is huge. Let me zoom on it. So this is the swing range, this is the strong swing high, and this is the weak swing low. The 4-hour range is also the daily swing range. So, and within the 4-hour swing range, there is this internal range, which has been it shifted bullish over here, and since then it has been bullish to facilitate the 4 hours swing pullback, which is also the daily swing pullback. So last week we saw price, it came, swept liquidity below these lows here within this internal leg. So price pullback, swept this liquidity, and we saw this huge rally after the liquidation. So for this coming week, we might either see that break of structure, and candle closure above this high, because we can as we can see on Friday, price only wicked above this high. It did not close above, so we could see that break of structure during this week, and maybe during this week we might see also the pullback, and also we might try to catch that higher low for price to target the week high. But also remembering that this high over here is the 4-hour, the daily strong internal high. So as we can see, now that price is failing to, we can see here as price has failed to close above this high, and we can see all this liquidity below the here. Maybe this week we might see also price this 4-hour shift bearish to signal the end of the swing pullback. We've had a significant pullback. It's almost at the AQ, we can see, or it's at the AQ of the swing range. Price has pulled back to the AQ of the swing range. So maybe now, after the sweep of all this buy side liquidity above this high, maybe we could see internal shift bearish, and we could now see price targeting the week swing low. So for this coming week, it's either we could see the internal trend continue, or we could see that internal shift bearish for price to target the week swing low. So that's all for today's video on EURUSD. If you have any questions, please you can leave it on the comment section. I wish you all a wonderful and a blessed week.